Hi boys and girls, it's me. And we didn't have a chance to do the intro in Kutztown, so we're doing it literally in my dining room at home. It went on September 15th and 16th, which is a Friday and Saturday. And me and Mrs. RW, we had an awesome time. We're both very tired, but it's a happy tired. Everything went well. I got to see everybody. I want to thank everybody that came up and visited and left me some very nice comments and things to say about the state of the Radio Wild channel, and that makes me feel good. I even had a person tell me something they didn't like about the Radio Wild channel, and that's okay too. We have to be constructive. I want to say a couple things about this event this time around. Both pavilions, this is the first time this ever happened, both pavilions had sold out. All the tables sold out. So it was full. You had the greatest chance to get something at a decent price. Lots of stuff. I'm not going to go into it because I'm sure you all want to see the video. But before we start, thanks out to the DVHRC, which I am a member of, hosting the event. They did a great job. And the people at Ranchers Kutztown, 740 Noble Street, Kutztown, PA. It's a fantastic place. And I have to say, with this show, is probably the premier antique radio event on the East Coast. And I'm going to put myself on a limb and say that. I know some guys from Michigan and Illinois, and they might have a comment on that. You have to come out and be here and see this. This is just a fantastic event. So without further ado, let me get started with the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, at least click the like button before you leave. And thanks again. See you later. Bye. Wave, Dave.
Now, everybody, I want you to take your wallets out and flex them, exercise.
We're going to, ladies and gentlemen, as they say it in the city, we're going to stimulate the economy.
So, over the years, you've all wanted it, you've all asked for it, we're finally going over to a standard bidder registration. So the number you have tonight is the number you're going to have in the future. That being said, one number has not been registered yet, and that's number 1. So if you want to be number 1, we're going to open it up to bid right now. You can bid on number 1. It's going to benefit the club. You will be buyer number 1 from now on at DVHRC's auctions and at JD auctions, whether it's here in Pennsylvania or over in New Jersey or wherever the hell we may be. So, how about you start it out, Darren?
Did I ever tell you that P.T. Barnum was his uncle? Okay, how about a $5 bill and a $5 bill and a $5 bill and a number 1? How about $1 on number 1, $1 on number 1? You will be forever number 1 and $1 on number 1. $1 is bid, now 2. 2 now 2. 2 now 3, 2 now 3, 3 now 4, 3 now 4, 3, 4 now 5, 5 now 5, 5 now 750, 5 now 750, 5 now 750, 5 now 750, 750 now 10, 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 going once, going twice, sold 750 to number 26. Thank you, Mr.
All right.
You are forever number 1 with JD Auction Service.
Congratulations, Steve. You're number 1. So what do we have up there?
Okay, Jared.
Yeah, what's the number on that?
6626.
6626. That's a pilot.
Pilot.
A nice pilot radio. You all saw it up front. How about 25 to go? Would you get 25 anywhere? 25, 25, 25. How about 12 and a half? 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12 and a half. How about 5? 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 I have now, 7 and a half. Would you get 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half? Sold it, $5. Number 92. Sold it $5. Number 92.
Lot number 66-12, Electro Voice mic. I've got $5 on a microphone, $5 on a mic, 5 anywhere, 5 on a mic, $5, $2 on a microphone, 2 on a microphone, 2 now 5, 2 now 5, 2 bid now 5, 2 bid now 5, $2 bid now 5, $2 bid now 5, $2 going once, twice, sold, number 86.
Doesn't have one.
Okay, I believe that's lot 66, is it not?
Yes, I believe you're
Lot
correct.
66, we have Western Electric test set. How about $10 on a Western test set? Western Electric, $10 on a test set. $10 midnight, $12.50, $10 now, $12.50, $10 now, $12.50. $10 going once, twice, sold. $10 number 70.
84.
Lot 34-6, we have a Heathkit, what?
A GR91.
Covered in contact paper. No, or is that original? Okay.
No.
How about $10 on a Heathkit? $10 worth. 10 on a Heathkit. 10 on a Heathkit. $5 on a Heathkit. 5 now 750. 5 and now 750. 5 and now 750. 50 now 10. 750 now 10. 750 now 10. 750. 10 now 1250. 10 now 1250. $10 now 1250. $10 going once, twice, sold. Number 90.
All right, change of tune.
Very nice.
7-1.
7-1. This is a working transoceanic Royal 1000D. The battery box is in fabulous condition.
Nice radio.
The radio is in working condition. How about an $80 bid to start it out? Would you get $80 anywhere? $80 anywhere? How about 50, 50, 50? Would you get 50, 50, 50? $50 anywhere? We're going to pass it.
Wow.
All right.
We have a horn speaker. Do we know what kind of horn speaker?
That's an outward
An outward kit. Okay. How about $20 on a speaker, 20 on a horn, 15 on a horn, 10 on a horn, $10 on a horn, $10 is bid now, $12.50, and now $12.50, and now $12.50, $10 now $12.50, 10 going once, twice, sold, number 67.
27.
27, 11-27 with the knob again. We have the knob for this. We have a new knob for it. How about $10 on the RCA, $10 where, $10 on the early EY, 5 on the RCA, $5 on the RCA, $5 where, 5 on the RCA. 5 is bid now $7.50, 5 now $7.50, 5 bid now $7.50, $5 going once, twice, sold, number 1797.
So, how about $5 to go on the Philco? $5 anywhere? Would you get $5 on the Philco? $5 on the Philco anywhere? How about $2.50? $2.50 on the Philco? I have now 5. Would you get 5? Would you get 5? Would you get 5? Sold it. $2.50, number 48.
11-96, we have a Bell & Howell speaker with a portable cabinet. All right, how about $10 on a Bell & Howell speaker, $10 where, 10 on a Bell & Howell, 5 on a Bell & Howell speaker, 5 on a speaker, $5 on a Bell & Howell speaker, $5 on a Bell & Howell speaker, $5 $2 on a Bell & Howell speaker, $2 is bid, 2 now 5, 2 bid now 5, 2 bid now 5, $2 going once, twice, sold, number sir? 96. Okay, we have lot number 20-2. That is a Philco, what, yeah.
My guess would be 3760 maybe.
Yeah, something like that. All right, how about 25 on the Philco? 25 to go, 25 on the Philco. How about 15, 15, 15, 15? I have now 17 and a half. What do you get 17 and a half, 17 and a half, 17 and a half? I'm at 15 over here. What do you get 17 and a half? 17 and a half up front. I have now 22 and a half. What do you get 22 and a half? I'm at 20 over there. What do you get 22 and a half? Sold it. $20, number 97.
Okay, we have lot 11- Maggie, what's the tag on that pair of amplifiers?
1192.
11-92, you get the pair of Bogans. These are the ones with the 1286s or 686s, yeah. Okay, you got the pair of Bogans. One has a cabinet, one doesn't. How about $25 on a Bogans? 25 now $27.50. 25 now $27.50. 25 now $27.50 now 30. 30 now $32.50. 30 now $32.50. 32.50 now 35. 32.50 now 35 now $37.50. 35 now $37.50. 35 now $37.50. All on a $35. $37.50 now 40. 37.50 40. 37.50 now 40 now 42.50. 42.50 now 45. 42.50 now 45. 42.50 now 45. All done at $42. $42 going once, $42 going twice, sold $42, number 72.
All right, lot 20-1, we have a WNIL sign. You've got the nice 77 microphone.
Animated.
You have the lightning bolt clock hand.
Animation.
Very cool sign. How about $200 to go on this? $200 anywhere? We get 200, 200, 200. How about $100 to go? $100 anywhere? $100 anywhere? $100 anywhere? How about 50, 50, 50 to go on the sign? 50, 50, 50 anywhere? 50 I have now. 75, 75 I have now. 100. Would it be 100, 100, 100, 100, 100? I'm at 75 over here. Would you get $100 anywhere? $100 anywhere? $100 anywhere? All in, all done, sold it. 75, number 35.
Okay, we have lot 11- I can't see the 14. 11-14, we have a reproduction RCA sign. I believe it does work.
It glows red.
It glows red. How about $10 on the RCA sign? 10 now, 12.50 now 15, 12.50 now 15, 12.50 now 15, now 17.50, 17.50, 17.50 now 20, 17.50 now 20, now 22.50, 22.50 now 25, 22.50 now 25, 22.50 now 25, 22.50 now 25, all on at 22.50, going once, going twice, sold 22.50, number 15. 15-4, interesting, interesting
Nice
Stuart
Stuart Warner.
Very nice.
How about $50 to start this out? $50 on the Stuart Warner anywhere, 50, 50, 50. How about 25, 25, 25? Will you get 25 I have now, 27 and a half. Now 30, sir. 30 I have now, 32 and a half. Will you get 32 and a half, 32 and a half? I'm at 30, what is it, 30 I have, or 32 and a half now, 35, 37 and a half. Will you get 37 and a half, 37 and a half, 37 and a half? Sold $35, number 68 your way.
11-110, a very nice GE. This is the locomotive in a wooden cabinet. How about $10 on a GE TV? $10 is bid now, $12.50, 10 now, $12.50, 10 to $12.50 now, 15, $12.15 now, 17.50, 15 now, 17.50, 15 now, 17.50 now, 20, 20 now, 22.50, 20 now, 22.50, 22.50 now, 25 now, 27.50, 25 now, 27.50, 25 now, 27.50, 27.50 now, 30, 30 now, 32.50, 30 now, 32.50, 30 now, 32.50, $30 going once, $30 going twice, sold $30, number 59. Dual arm turntable. It has the SME Series 3 arm, and it has the Thorens arm as well. The dust cover is cracked, it's broken, the pieces are all there. You can repair it with a piece in the back. Okay, how about we start this off at $250, 250 on a Thorens, 250 now 3. 3 now 350, 350 now 4, 4 now 450, 450 now 5, 450 now 5, now 550, 550 now 6, 550 now 6, now 650, 650 now 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, $1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100, 1,000 going once, 1,000 going twice. How about 1,100? 1,200, 1,200, 1,100 going once, 1,100 going twice. Sold $1,100. Number, sir, 58. It's 19.
How about we started out at $300? 300 to go on the Marines. 3 I have now, 350 in the back. Now 400. I have 5 now. I have 5 looking for 550. 550 I have now. 6 would be 6. Would it get 6? Would it get 6? 6 I have now. 650 I have now. 7 would be 7. 7 I have now. 750. Now 8, 9, $1,000. I'm at 900. How about 950? 950 I have now. 1,000. I'm at 950. Would he get $1,000 for it? $1,000 anywhere? I'm at 950. Would he get $1,000? $1,000. All in, all done. Sold 950. Number 73. Thank you very much, sir.